Sit still on Jake's lap. Hold Trevor in your lap. Let the guys see your face.
Get up in there, Sean. It's fine. What about me?
Don't choke
Nice.
him. Wait.
Trevor!
Don't choke him.
Trevor, where's Mama?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cousins. Ready?
Cousin.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
What about brother, Jake? Jeez. Bye-bye. Trevor's waving. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye,
Trevor
kitty.
was waving on the big screen yesterday. Oh, that was so cute. He was like,
He was waving on the big
he
screen.
was waving at himself. Yeah. We said, say hi. So he looked up and saw himself. And
Oh my god. Did you get a camera?
No,
Yeah.
I didn't.
Oh,
Mom did?
I didn't get one of all of us.
no. Oh, then I picked
Oh,
up.
you were on it too?
Yeah. I took a picture of us and then I lifted Jakey up.
And the lady gave us
Yeah.
time for all of us to go.
Very cool.
Yeah. It was fun.